We not talking about that he said, she said. We talking about that he cat, she cat. How they act. Come on. You are now rocking with the Cool Cats and me, the D.E.V. Let me first start off by saying that the differences that I will be speaking on today are based on cats who have been either spayed or neutered. Unaltered cats present a whole different set of problems. Female cats who have not been spayed are more likely to vocalize uncontrollably when they are in heat, and they will attract male cats from all over the neighborhood to your house, scratching to get in. The boldest of which may even dart in your door when you open it. Sometimes they may even nip and claw at you when you go to remove them. How would you like to have strange cats in your house from God knows where and risk getting bitten or scratched and potentially catching something? I don't think so. And what about the male cats who have not been neutered? These cats can be a lot more aggressive. They are also more likely to urinate in your house, marking their territory. These cats often escape your house in order to find female cats in heat. This in turn puts them at risk to the long list of dangers that can await them outside. These are big differences already, but they are all related to our cat's sex drive. Once we have our cats spayed or neutered, it narrows down the differences quite a bit. So now, let's talk about the differences between our fixed he and she cats. Now, female cats can be more aggressive towards humans and other cats. They also tend to be more protective of what they consider family. This more than likely comes from their maternal instincts. So your male cats tend to be a lot more affectionate, more social and playful. So look guys, I gotta bounce, but no worries, y'all are coming with. Female cats really don't tolerate much change in their environment. Neither male or female cats like change, but it really stresses the females out. And oh yeah, of course the girls live longer. way that male and female cats play is very different. Male cats tend to be more rough and tumbly. Girls don't like that. Now, before I take care of what I came in here for, I gotta take y'all up in this joint. Now, when I'm being real casual, I'm sure y'all may have noticed my hat game is kinda alright. Well, this is where I do my damage. These folks got everything. Y'all hear me? Everything. Stuff you don't see every day, you know? I'm gonna have to check this joint out. Hey, that joint banging. Of course, we got all the Redskin stuff. Excuse me, Washington football team. Female cats have a more independent nature. They seem to be more suspicious creatures. Female cats are just more standoffish, period. They may even be this way with other animals in the household. They can even be territorial over their favorite human. Look, male cats tend to get along better with other cats in the household, regardless of the sex of the other cat. They tend to form stronger bonds with the other animals in the house. So what if you want to have multiple cats? Which combinations work best together? Well, studies show that there are really no particular combinations that work better than others between cats. It's more about what you prefer as interaction between you and them. Now, me personally, I come from the world of dogs, so I have all male cats because their personalities are closer to that of dogs, you know, more friendly and playful. Plus, it is the man cave. Individual cats vary widely in their social behavior, and though the differences between he and she cats does matter, individual personalities matter just as much, if not more. Now remember, treat those animals well. After all, they didn't ask to be there with you, but now all they have is you. Treat them like family. Fam.